Deliver. He delivers packages to our doorstep. Order. He orders coffee through the mobile app. Buy. She buys fresh vegetables at the market. Sell. They sell handmade crafts every weekend. Pay. I pay for groceries with my credit card. Search. We search for discounts online daily. Compare. She compares prices before buying electronics. Choose. They choose ripe bananas for smoothies. Return. I return damaged items to the store. Pack. She packs gifts carefully for shipping. Carry. They carry heavy shopping bags upstairs. Push. I push the shopping cart through aisles. Refund. She gives me a refund for the wrong size. Scan. He scans items quickly at the checkout. Browse. We browse clearance racks for discounts. Try on. I try on 3 dresses before choosing. Check out. They check out with cash at lane 5. Weigh. She weighs fruit on the digital scale. Ship. He ships orders internationally every Monday. Pick up. We pick up dry cleaning after work. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to subscribe.